So, we have had sheep in our road.
And now sheepdogs.
Sheepdogs, he says, yeah.
Look at, there's two more going up the hill. Somebody must be up there giving them directions.
I don't know.
That's hilarious.
Oh, that was the most wildlife we've seen on this trip.
Seriously.
There's
another
one.
dog.
Oh my God, they must have like 5 or 6 dogs with those sheep. I don't know if the guy's with them or not, but that was great. So, all right, catch it, Sheridan maybe, or something maybe before. Who knows? Who knows what's next? Steamboat Point right ahead of us. Right ahead. Beautiful. I don't know how much of this you saw first time we came through here, but hey, maybe the first video you've watched and you're seeing for the first time. The beautiful colors down there in the valley. We're in Sheridan again. Just thought I'd turn on the camera in case we see some interesting buildings along the way here.
Yeah, over there is where we did our laundry.
Well, we're supposed to turn right up here. I don't know if we can.
Still.
Can we delay our right a little while, or does that mess us up?
Oh, by the time we get to it, it may not make a difference. Why?
Oh, because there's just some cool buildings up here.
Oh, we're going to pass those. That's a nice neon sign there on the left.
Yeah, the Mint Bar.
Since 1907. Yeah, there's the theater. Wyoming.
I think the building is actually after that Trail Hotel.
Look at that great building there on the left.
Keenan.
Probably an old hotel.
Yeah.
Partially renovated into realty.
Go straight.
Yes.
Here's our building, I think. Yeah. Got a crown on it, like a dome.
That's very cool.
Oh, I bet it's the county courthouse. Houses. Well, somewhere ahead, we believe, is our Boondock spot for the night. This spot is supposed to be about 2,300 feet higher than we are right now, so, you know, it's really difficult to try to guess that.
The great sort of ridged, saw-ridged mountains.
Oh, yeah. I noticed looked like a wood graveyard, a stump graveyard over there. All right, so this is our camp spot, and that's Trigger barking because he wants to play with the ball. We're up a little further than we thought. All the spots down lower were full and were filled with mega cow pies. So we drove a little further. We're up a couple hundred feet higher, which is fine. So it's pretty warm here right now. I mean, if it was clear right now, I don't think the spot would be open. But you can see some snowy peaks out that way, which would be wonderful. And actually, Carol said when we got here, she could see a mountain out that way. Unless she means the one that's just across the way from us over here. That might be the one she's talking about, because there's certainly nothing to be seen out there. Nice rock formation. There was a beautiful place with rock formations, but there was no camping spot next to it. I would have loved to have had that spot, but wasn't in the cards. All right, so this is the camp spot, and we'll probably talk to you, wrap up the day.
Go find one.
Well, you know, this was a great day for me because, quite honestly, the one thing I wanted to see on this trip was the medicine wheel. We got to see that. But second of all, and actually, I have to say that a primary thing I wanted to see was Heart Mountain, the internment camp, but it didn't quite fit into the rounds we were doing. So
Until those got changed.
until, you know, we had to come back and do the medicine wheel. So I'm very happy. Two very important things for me I got to see. And both places were great. I mean, I think. This camp spot, by the way, we'll mark the camp spot. And I'm just going to say that there have been trailers up here. There's been Sprinter vans and everything. But it is a heck of a climb. And it's a pretty rough road until you get to this last little part where we found this camp spot. It's not a scary, I wouldn't say it's a scary road, but it's a pretty rough road coming in. It's about, we thought it'd be about 8 miles in, and turned out probably by where we are is 10 to 11 miles in. We're up on a knoll, like I said, without the fire, you know, without the smoke in the air. This probably would have been a phenomenal view from up here, both ways, out to the snow-capped mountains, out into the behind it or in front of us where we're sitting now, to the
Some of the bighorn stuff that's going on behind us before you drop down into Sheridan. Yeah. Some bighorn mountain cliffs right behind us before you drop back down into Sheridan. You come out the I think it's 335, and then it's there's the Red Springs, or it's the Red Slade Road, or, you know, whatever. But we've seen tons of people going by. It's obviously well known, at least locally. And then, of course, John found out about it, you know, from a YouTube blogger, right, that he follows. So yeah.
And then I did fly the drone around here, so, and I got up to those rocks that are over here that are pretty amazing. I got a close-up of those, so we'll be sharing that as well. And we really aren't sure where we're going from here. In fact, when we hang up with you guys, we're going to get out the maps and start taking a look as to where we go and how we're going to go home. Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. Tell us what you liked, what you didn't like. We'll see you tomorrow. Maybe we'll have an idea of where we're going. So thanks again. Good night.